Welcome to my channel Indian Spotlight. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you, those who are watching my channel at a particular time of the day. Earlier in my previous video, I discussed about the rules with some examples on the topic modal verbs, where you came to understand how, when, and where to use modal verbs to make you more efficient with the exercise. Here is the solution for a better understanding of the topic. Do watch it till end because I believe that practice makes a man perfect. That is a very popular saying by one of the finest essayists, Francis Bacon. So let's continue with the topic solution of modal verbs. Fill the blanks with the correct modal verbs. Number 1. You blank brush your teeth after every meal. Here, the sentence wants to tell us that before every meal we should brush our teeth. It means that it is a kind of giving suggestion to a person. So, as in the case of suggestion, we can go for should. So, the complete sentence will be of you should brush your teeth after every meal. Number 2. The boys blank train hard if they want to win the competition. This sentence wants to tell that if the boys wants to win the competition, then they have to train hard. So here we can go for must, that is a meaning of compulsion. So the complete answer will be the boys must train hard if they want to win the competition. Number 3, if it does not rain tomorrow, we blank go for a picnic. If it doesn't rain for a tomorrow, we could go for a picnic. Here could suggest a kind of possibility in future. Number 4, blank you like to join me for a trip up the Cameron Highlands. Here we are talking about some kind of request. So in the sense of request we can go for would you like to join me for a trip of Cameron Highlands. In number 5, you blank pay $5 if you want to take part in the contest. Means if you want to take part in the contest, then you have to pay $5. So here you can go for must. Here must is used for compulsion, that is compulsorily done. So the sentence will be you must pay $5 if you want to take part in the contest. Number 6, blank I go to the toilet please. As we are talking about please, that is a kind of request. So while seeking permission, in the case we can go for may. So the sentence would be may I go to the toilet please. Number 7, children blank respect their elders. So it is the duty and responsibility of the children to respect their children in the sense of doing their duty and obligation that is compulsorily be done. We can go for must. So the complete sentence of question number 7 will be children must respect their elders. Number 8, Mrs. Tomar blank leave for Bangkok tomorrow for a business meeting. So here as we are talking about the possibility that Mrs. Tomar can go for a business meeting, so in the blank we have to use will in the sense of showing a kind of possibility. So question number 8, total answer will be of complete answer will be of Mrs. Tomar will leave for Bangkok tomorrow for the next business meeting. Question number 9. Question number 9, it tells that I blank take a holiday after working tirelessly on this project. So here, as we are talking about a practice or the sense of doing any work in the past, so we have to go for used to. So the complete answer of the sentence question number 9 will be of I used to take a holiday after working tirelessly on this project. Question number 10. Although Daniel is an obedient child, he blank to be rebellious at times. So we are talking about a possibility in the sense that is in present form. So can be used in that place. So the complete answer will be of question number 10. Although Daniel is an obedient child, he can be rebellious at times. Starting from question number 1 to question number 10, you might have done gap filling. Now it's the time to solve some MCQ type of questions where the options will be given. You have to fill the correct options. You have to select the correct option and fill the blank. So question number 11, the players blank obey their captain if they want to win the match. In the sense of obligations, we have to go for option D, must. So the complete answer will be the players must obey their captain if they want to win the match. Similarly, in question number 12, the bag was so light that I blank carry it. Here, as the sentence is talking about past tense, so we have to go for the option number D, could. Here could suggest that a physical ability that you could carry the load. Question number 13. Question number 13, it says that you have been naughty, you blank not go out for a week. As you have been naughty, so here we have to go for option number B, that is shall. You shall not go out for a week. Shall is used in that sentence for giving a kind of warning. Number 14, this fruit is poisonous, you blank not eat it. Here it suggests that as the fruit is poisonous, so here must can be used. Here must suggests that you should compulsorily avoid it. You must not eat it. So option number C is correct. Question number 15. He blank fly an aeroplane when he was in the Air Force. As this sentence is talking about again one of the abilities, so we have to go for could, option number A. But this sentence is to some extent used to can also be used, because if you used to be used here, so the sentence meaning of the sentence will be as of telling any of the past habits, that when he was in Air Force he used to fly an aeroplane. Similarly, talking about question number 16, can you speak English? The teacher asked me. Here can is the option and can is the answer one, because here can is suggesting the ability to speak English. So option number A for question number 16 is correct. Similarly, question number 17, don't worry, we blank make sure he comes tonight. So here as we are talking about the assurance, so you have to go for you will. You will make sure he comes tonight. Will is the correct answer. Question number 18, the watermelon tasted delicious, you blank it. The options are should be tasted, ought to be have tasted, will have tasted, and shall taste. Here the correct option is option number B, that is ought to have tasted. So the complete answer of question number 18 will be the watermelon tasted delicious, you ought to have tasted it. Question number 19. The vegetable curry is hot and spicy. Full stop. You blank put too much chili and pepper. Here, as we are talking about a food item that is of spicy and hot, so here giving a kind of warning, you should, or a suggestion, you can go for option number A, should not. So the complete answer, you should not put too much chili and pepper. Question number 20. At the rate you are going, you blank fall off the bike. Here the options are given: need, had, may, and won't. So out of these four options, you have to go for option number C, that is may. So the complete answer of the sentence question number 20 will be of: at the rate you are going, you may fall off the bike. Here the modal may suggests the possibility of happening an incident.